good morning. We're on the road again. We're out and about this morning in the Black Pearl. We had a little winter weather roll in and had a couple inches of snow overnight, so we've been busy all morning. Gotta run up here and grab a side-by-side that's stuck in the Black Rock Reservoir. We're gonna hopefully get up there and winch them out, no problem. I got my mucking boots with me so we don't get stuck in the muck in our penny loafers. We'll get up here and we'll take you along for the ride and see where we end up. Yeehaw. A little icy. Solo today. I didn't even bring the dog with me, but I did bring my mucking boots so I won't get stuck in my penny loafers or my Birkenstocks. But we're having a good time this morning already. Man, what a beautiful place we live in. How could you complain about an office like that? This little reservoir is usually dry, but it gets a little moisture in it and people go down here and goof around and end up getting stuck, so hopefully we can get in here no problem and get them gathered up. Well, maybe we won't get as muddy now it snowed.
Beautiful weather, but I wish it was under better circumstance though.
Oh, we'll get you out, I think.
Yes, sir. Let's go. All right, we'll take it right now. Water.
Whoa, a lot of water?
There's water right here in this area.
Better quit while we're ahead then.
It's not too wet, but it'll get there.
Oh yeah. It gets soft in a big hurry up here.
You do have some.
He's in there good. See how frozen down it is. Oh, you're fine. It's pretty heavy duty.
Oh, you've been doing this, sir?
Come out of there too bad. Started to pull the Jeep a little bit.
Love it.
Can't complain about a day like today. That didn't come out of there too bad. They were just down in the mud. I didn't want to get down in there with them, so I stayed up on the bank there and winched them across there. Just an XDI 9000 is a great little winch. It's a high speed, so it pulled them right out of there, and we're just gonna work our way back down the freeway here. We got a winch out at 35 or 36. We'll work our way down the freeway and see where we end up. Okay, we're down to the shop today after we went and pulled that little side-by-side out of the reservoir up there, but we're, what are we doing? We're working on the old Cherokee. You guys keep asking me where this old girl's at, but she's around. We went and had Steve at Sand Hollow Off-Road put a new ring and pinion in it. Chrome won't get you home, but it'll get you to church. We just left that old chrome cover on there, and you guys keep asking me about the rear fender flares, but I don't even know if I'm going to put them on. They really serve no value other than looks. They don't keep the mud off the side. I've had to take the front and add these mud flaps because I got tired of mud all over me. Dustin's swapping in some new ball joints. These things are toast. Look at that poor thing. It's junk. So we're working our way around. What do they say? Rode hard and put away wet like an old horse. Yep. And so we're going to work it over a little bit. Got a few little odds and ends. Got a couple little cracks in the frame. We got that fish plate we got to put on there one of these days. But I figured I'd show you what we was up to today. Same old grind. We got customers' vehicles that take priority over our own. So we're doing our thing when we get time, but we got the old Black Pearl for backup, and then we can use this old girl if we need to, but we're actually gonna put a slip yoke eliminator, new drive line, a few things to kind of upgrade that, but that's where we're at on the old Cherokee, so don't worry, she'll be back in the game before long.